Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by assembling the moving parts: pump, reservoir, tubing, and a shallow dish. Mount the 12V submersible pump inside the reservoir and route 1/4 tubing up to the fountainhead. This forces continuous flow. Once done, secure a check valve near the pump to prevent siphoning and use quick fittings to avoid leaks. Make sure to fit an overflow hole at about 1/3 down the reservoir wall so excess water escapes instead of flooding the pump cavity. Now sculpt the fountain top and ensure steady recirculation. Position a shallow dish as the hummingbird perch and drill tiny 2-3 mm outlets to create gentle streams. Small holes slow velocity for delicate birds. Use a foam gasket between the pump outlet and the dish to reduce noise and wear. Route the return path so water spills back into the reservoir via a hidden spillway. This keeps the surface thin and aerated, which hummingbirds prefer. Test flow and adjust hole sizes for smooth. Finish by securing power and setting a maintenance routine. Use a 12V DC adapter with an inline fuse and waterproof connectors to keep the system safe in wet conditions. Mount the adapter under shelter. Clean weekly with a 1 to 10 vinegar rinse to prevent algae and fermentation that discourage birds. If the pump becomes noisy or the stream sputters, turn off power, prime the pump to remove trapped air, and inspect the inlet for debris. Replace worn tubing or seals if leaks persist.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.